friends, welcome to your channel. Please like, share, and subscribe your own channel, School Studies. Now, you might be thinking why to subscribe my channel, School Studies. So, here is the answer. In this channel, you will get daily one video related to different topic and different subject also, such as English grammar, general knowledge, social science, mathematics, and science. This subject will help you in your exams to revise, to solve your doubts, to find questions, to find answers, and to learn and understand more. Today we will see a video related to social science subject. In that, today's topic is GSEB solution for class 7 social science chapter 1 medieval Gujarat. So let's solve the exercise of chapter 1. This is the chapter of semester 2 textbook of GSEB standard 7th. So the exercise first question is, let us learn. In that, Vanraj Chavda had to build a new city. So the answer is, according the historical text, the Chavda dynasty ruled over Panchasara. Its ruler Jai Shikri attended Mitrodrome in a war. His son Vanraj Chavda recaptured his father's kingdom. In place of the ruined kingdom, he established a new kingdom on the banks of the river Saraswati, which was known as Anilwad Patan. It is believed that his friend Anil assisted him in acquiring the kingdom, and hence the territory was named Anilwad Patan after him. The question 2 is, the Solanki period is known as Golden Period of Gujarat. During the rule of Solanki dynasty, Gujarat became very prosperous. The kings of this dynasty, Mulraj Solanki, Bhimdev Solanki, Siddharaj Jaisingh, Kumarpal, were among the great rulers. The kings of the Solanki dynasty was great rulers. The beautifully carved stone idol tells us of the glory and prosperity of the Solanki era. The various departments of the kingdoms were handled by different ministers. This period also saw the progress of architecture, sculpture, and painting. Question 3. Vastupal and Tejpal were good ministers. They were both brothers and sons of Ashraj and Kumar Devi. The father, Ashraj, was a minister in the court of King Veer Dhaval, and later on, after passing through some circumstances, both of them also become the ministers of court on the court of the king Veer Dhaval. Both of them were pious, intelligent, and believed in virtues only. They were great ministers and highly potential in managing royal and judgmental affairs. Fourth, Meenal Devi was an ideal queen. Queen Meenal Devi, King Siddharaj Jaisingh's mother, was much concerned about the welfare of the subject and waived the pilgrim tax. The Malwa Lake at Dholka and the Munsar Lake at Viramgam was constructed on her instructions. Next question. Naiki Devi was a heroic lady. After the death of King Ajaypal, his son being too young, Queen Naiki Devi, his mother, took her over the responsibility of the kingdom. During his time, Shahabuddin Gauri crossed the desert and attacked Gujarat. Queen Naiki Devi exhibited innumerous courage, tied her infant son on herself, led the army of Gujarat into the battle, and successfully defeated Shahabuddin Gauri. Question 2 is discussed. In that, first one is, why was the possession of Siddham Saptanushasan carried out on an elephant? The famous scholar Sri Hemchandra Acharya was patronized during the rule of Siddharaj Jaisingh. During his design, Anilwad Patan became the main center of education and was known as Vidyadham. On his proposal, Sri Hemchandra Acharya wrote a book on grammar, Siddham Saptanushasan. After its completion, the book was placed on the seat tied onto an elephant, and the procession was carried throughout the sitting. Both the king Siddharth Jaisingh and the composer Sri Hemchandra Acharya accompanied the procession on foot. It was the first time that a literate text was given such innumerous respect. Question 2. Why was the new city established by Vanraj Chavda named as Anilwad Patan? According to the historical text, the Chavda dynasty ruled over Pansara. Its ruler Jai Shikri attended martyrdom in the war. His son Vanraj Chavda recaptured his father's kingdom. In the place of ruined kingdom, he established a new kingdom on the banks of the river Saraswati, which was known as Anilwad Patan. It is believed that his friend Anil assisted him in acquiring the kingdom, and hence the territory was named Anilwad Patan after him. Third question. Why did Meenal Devi waive the pilgrim tax? Queen Meenal Devi, King Siddharth Jaising's mother, was much concerned about the welfare of the subject and waived the pilgrim tax. Fourth, why was the capital shifted from Anilwad Patan to Ahmedabad? After the Solanki dynasty, the Waghela dynasty ruled over Gujarat. The last emperor of the Waghela dynasty, Karandev Waghela, was defeated by Alauddin Khilji, and it brought to the end of Rajput rule over Anilwad Patan. Later on, for the period of time, Anilwad Patan remained the capital of Gujarat just for a namesake. During the Sultanate era, Ahmad Shah established Ahmedabad in 1411 CE. Question 3. Give an introduction about. So, Anilwad Bharwad, a friend of the king Vanraj, who helped to recover and rearrange his lost kingdom. Meenal Devi, Queen Meenal Devi, King Siddharth Jaisingh's mother, was concerned about the welfare of the subjects and waived the pilgrim tax. Hemchandra Acharya, Sri Hemchandra Acharya was a famous scholar and wrote a book on grammar, Siddham Shabdanushashan. Kumarpal was a great ruler of Solanki dynasty. The prosperity of Gujarat reached its apex during the reign of Kumarpal. Nike Devi. Queen Nike Devi exhibited innumerous courage, tied her infant son to herself, led the army of Gujarat into the battle, and successfully defeated Shahabuddin Gauri. Bhimdev Solanki was a great ruler of Solanki dynasty. Queen Udaymati built a stepwell for the welfare of her subjects. This stepwell is known as Rani Ki Wah. This stepwell, consisting of 7 levels, in an unparalleled example of art and architecture. Raikaran Waghela, the last emperor of the Waghela dynasty. So this was the solution of textbook exercise of GSEB Standard 7 Semester 2 Chapter 1. I hope you liked my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Please leave comment, question or doubts in comment section if you have any, or you can drop a mail to us. You will find my email ID at the end of this video. You can also join us on Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, connect us on LinkedIn or tweet us on Twitter. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.